Part of a balanced diet. Nutritional content of carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, crucial for maintaining good vision, a healthy immune system, and overall well-being. They also contain vitamin C, potassium, and fiber, contributing to various aspects of their health. Specific benefits for Indian ringnecks. Improved vision. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining sharp eyesight. Carrots can help support your bird's visual acuity. Enhanced immune system. The antioxidants and vitamin C in carrots can boost the immune system, making your bird more resistant to illness.